Impact on some of our neighboring states. Officials in LA County urging people not to call 911 unless it is an absolute emergency. Well, first responders are also being ordered to stop bringing patients to the hospital if they cannot be resuscitated at the scene.
ABC's Romina Puga has more on the virus's toll in California and Arizona.
As hospitals fill up around the U.S., Arizona hits the highest rate of infections in the country. Patients driving as far as 6 hours to find an open ICU bed.
I wouldn't wish this on nobody. And I consider myself lucky that they just have me on oxygen.
LA County now issuing an alarming order for ambulances to not transport victims of car accidents or cardiac arrest to hospitals who cannot be revived after 10 minutes on the scene.
This is what they call crisis medicine. And this is something that any healthcare provider or first responder, this is kind of our worst nightmare.
In the UK, the sheer spread of the new COVID variant is becoming clear. The UK now back into a national lockdown as experts warn that 1 in 50 people there have COVID. Compare that to the 1 in 900 back in September.
Stay at home, protect the NHS and save lives.
That UK variant popping up across the U.S. Georgia now reporting a case, making the race for vaccination more urgent. About 4.8 million vaccinations have been administered across the U.S., not even a quarter of the goal of 20 million set by the Trump administration. And vaccine reluctance remains an issue. New York City reported 30% of healthcare workers turned down the opportunity to get a dose. In Riverside County in Los Angeles, the percentage is higher.
About half of those frontline healthcare workers are opting in, choosing to take the vaccine at this time.
Officials are urging residents to trust the science behind the vaccine. Romina Puga, ABC News, Los Angeles.